Thank you for joining me today as we decorate this wonderful woodland themed tree. You're going to see some beautiful birch ribbon, the ornaments that we use, the picks, the flowers. I was really excited about how it all came together. So come along with me. I'm going to show you step by step how we put all of this together. Stay tuned. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to use some ribbon. So I've got some beautiful birch ribbon that I bought last year from Etsy. Love it, love it, love it. So I like to reuse the ribbon that I buy every year because it is an investment. So what I like to do is I'll cut mine in sections, and you notice this is cut. And I like to cut mine in my wingspan, all right? Because this allows me to use it a variety of different ways every year. So I'm gonna start off by running my hands along the wired edge of the ribbon, and that's going to give it a nice curl, all right? And I'm going to make bows for my tree, okay? So about this long, I don't know how long that is, maybe 8 to 10 inches. And then here we go. There's lots of bow tutorials on YouTube, but here's just what I do. So I like it to be 6 inches. You see I'm scrunching in the middle, and then right where my fingers are, I'm going to twist. And yes, you're going to see the back of the ribbon. You need that because, once again, I'm going to bring it up to the middle, just like that, okay? So, and always pinching right in the middle, and then twist. Pinch in the middle and twist, all right? So then I'm straightening everything out. And if you roll your ribbon every year at the end of the season, it will ensure that you'll be able to use it again. So here is my 3-loop bow. 1, 2, and 3. And then I like to take a pipe cleaner, preferably, you know, something that matches your tree or coordinates with your tree, and I'm just going to put this right in the middle. And then I'll tie this off real tight. And once you tie this nice and tight, then I can come in. So notice right now everything is vertical, okay? So my loops are vertical, my tails are vertical. So that's how everything should look when you're first making the bow, when you're forming it. Now we're going to shape it, okay? So now, because it's tied real tight, now I can move these loops however I want to move them. Because it's nice and tight, secured in the middle. And now I've got this. So now I'm climbing to the top of the tree again on the other side. And I'm going to take this, like I said, around the trunk of the tree. So not on a branch, but just on the trunk of the tree. And that's going to make sure it's really secure. And it's going to sit right where I want it to sit. We'll put some others on the branches, but I'll show you how to do that once we get to that one. So see how our two bows together they're now working together. And our tails and all of that are now working together to look like one big bow. And I'm going to do a couple others all the way around the tree. And I'm going to have these tails just kind of sweeping down, just like birch, the bark on a real tree. So we're going to work with this and make sure all this is doing what we want it to do. I'll come down and look at that and see what that's doing. But there we go. Of course, you can make more loops and all that, make bigger bows. That's what we're going to do for the top of the tree. But right now, we're going to leave a little bit sparse because we're going to put lots of stuff in there. So I think that's going to work for right now. So these are the picks I'm going to use on the tree. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about fluffing. So when you go to the store, you'll probably see something that'll be all crunched up like this, and you won't be able to see it. So you always just want to be encouraged, be very excited when you see that. And you want to just take each individual petal and just fluff it out and just kind of see what it looks like. So you can tell this flower is turning out to be really, really great. So I have this. I'm just going to shape these leaves, make them look great and spectacular. And now you got something that you can work with, and now you got something you can put in the tree. So I'm going to do that. I have a bunch of flowers here, and I am going to do that and put these in the tree now. So these are the ornaments that I'm going to put on the tree. I've got some silver, some gold, And then over here, I've got some white and some clear. So this is what the tree looks like so far. I've got the gold clusters on there. And then this is a perfect place to look and see. You see the vignettes of the ornaments? So you can see all three of them all at one time, which I love. And then there's a white in the background. I do love that. You can also see the little clear that's hiding out back there. You see? So that's why I love putting ornaments deeper in the tree. You get more bang for your buck. You put more, or you will put more ornaments on your tree. So I was shopping with a friend the other day, and he was really surprised about how many ornaments will fit on this tree. So you can see there's a whole bunch just kind of clustered together. And this is just awesome because it's like when you look, you're looking at the tree, and then you can look deeper into the tree and see even more stuff. So that's why you really want to put things deeper in your tree. All right, so we got a little bit more to do. We're going to put on some antlers and some birds, and then we might be, oh, and some icicles. So we got a little bit more to do. Here we go. All right, so these are some birds I'm getting ready to add to the tree. They are from the Dollar Tree, and I love them. They're so great. So in the springtime, so go out in spring and get stocked up on them. But these are some birds that come in red and blue and green, but these are really great. So we're gonna get ready to add these on the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna put these antlers in the tree. You can get them at fall and at Christmas. I got these from Michael's, I think, which is awesome. So then what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna take this piece of greenery, which I got from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? And it's amazing. So because the tail on this is so skinny, I am going to take the greenery and just kind of tie it around it. And this is going to give a little bit more security so it won't fall out of the tree. And then also I should be able to tie this to the branch itself. So hopefully this won't go anywhere. So let's try it out in a couple and see how it works. So it's coming together really, really well. I'm excited about that. I have got these icicles, is what I call them. And I'm going to add a variety of these. So my hand is covered with them. So I got these from Hobby Lobby. I always wait till it's half price. But I have a whole variety of icicles. So we're going to go ahead and add those now. So here's a look at the tree from top to bottom. I am finished decorating this tree in a woodland theme. I so hope that you liked it. Please let me know what themes you are considering this year. Have you started decorating? What theme are you looking at? Please let me know in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.